The day he decided to begin again. There was a young man named Noah. Noah was not lazy. He was not stupid. But he felt stuck. Every morning he woke up tired. Not because his body was weak, but because his mind felt heavy. He had dreams once, big dreams. But over time, life became busy. Bills, work, fear, and doubt slowly covered those dreams. Noah often said to himself, "I will start tomorrow." Tomorrow became next week. Next week became next year. One evening, Noah sat alone in his small room. The lights were off. His phone was silent. He looked around and felt empty. He whispered, "Is this really my life?" That night, he could not sleep. So he went for a walk. The city was quiet. The streets were almost empty. Only street lights and shadows followed him. At a small park, Noah saw an old man sitting on a bench. The old man was holding a notebook and writing slowly. Noah sat on the other side of the bench. After a moment, the old man spoke. "You look tired," he said. Noah smiled weakly. "I am," he replied. "Not tired of work, tired of myself." The old man nodded. "I understand," he said. Noah asked, "What are you writing?" The old man showed him the notebook. On the page there was only one sentence. "Today, I showed up." Noah was confused. "That's it?" he asked. The old man smiled. "Yes," he said. "For many years I waited to feel ready. I waited to feel confident. I waited to feel strong. But I learned something," he continued. "Readiness never comes first. Action comes first." Noah listened quietly. The old man said, "Most people want to change their whole life in one day. That is why they fail. Growth is small," he said. "It is quiet. It is boring. But it works." Noah asked softly, "So what should I do?" The old man closed his notebook. "Do one small thing tomorrow," he said. "Something so easy that your fear cannot stop you. Then do it again the next day." Noah went home with those words in his mind. The next morning, he woke up early. Not motivated, not excited, just awake. He made his bed. That was all. But something felt different. The next day he made his bed again. Then he read one page of a book. Only one page. Some days he wanted to quit. Some days he felt stupid. But he remembered the notebook. Today I showed up. Weeks passed. Noah started waking up earlier. He exercised for 5 minutes, then 10. He learned a new skill. Slowly. He failed many times, but he did not stop. Months passed. His life did not change overnight. But he changed. He became calmer, more focused, more honest with himself. One day, Noah walked past the same park. The old man was not there, but the bench was empty and peaceful. Noah sat down and took out his own notebook. He wrote, "I am not where I want to be, but I am no longer afraid to move." He smiled, because he understood the truth. You do not need motivation to start. You need courage to begin small. And growth begins the moment you stop waiting for the perfect day and choose to show up today.